Hey guys, so today I'll be doing a voiceover for this vlog since I haven't done one in a while. So for this vlog, we will be going to Batangas for a 2-day 1-night trip. So first we ate lunch at TGI Fridays at New Valley Salinad. So I got fish and chips, and right after lunch we just walked around a bit and then we went straight to Batangas.
'Cause every night it's a fight and I'm in my way. You know it's hard to admit when you're so.
We arrived at around 2 p.m. and this is where we stayed at.
But I've been trying to open up. Baby, I've been trying to open up. We got a path to the line. Tell me, do you wanna cross that bridge? Saying it's about time. All little lover, lost in the summer.
So this was their dining area, their pool area, as well as the view.
You wait. No, I gotta make you mine. We got a path to the line. Tell me, do you wanna jump right into the rest of my life? Well, I must have been blind till I saw your face, and my heart held it down till it stopped in place. We got a path to the line. Tell me, do you wanna cross that bridge? Saying it's about time. All little lover, lost in the summer. Jump right into the pool of your eyes. I don't wanna keep you waiting. No, I gotta make you mine. We got a path to the line. Tell me, do you wanna jump right into the rest of my life? Let's talk it out and fly away. Now you got me dreaming. It's not about where we are today. The future holds a meaning. We got a path to the line. Tell me, do you wanna cross that bridge? Saying it's about time. All little lover, lost in the summer. Jump right into the pool of your eyes. I don't wanna keep you waiting. No, I gotta make you mine. We got a path to the line. Tell me, do you wanna jump right into the rest of my life?
As I was waiting in the car for you to call, something caught my eye. I saw them burning in the sky, then flicker out and fade into the night. If the stars were to fall, I would sit in the dark. Get it off my
After dinner, we went back to our room and just relaxed.
It feels for a while. Heaven must have tried to get out of my mind.
The next morning, we went to eat breakfast first and then we got ready to check out.
Lost in the dark, searching for sparks, they fade away, but I'm still holding on. I'm spinning round the speed of sound, this vehicle, there have no place to